Okay, ladies, so that was the wig. This wig is WOWEBONY, and it is an Indian Remi single knots silky straight wig. It is 14 inches. It's 180% density, I believe. It's 180% density. And this density to me seems more uniform than the last wig I got from them. It still doesn't feel like 180. It still feels to me like it might be more of a 150 or 130. So, you know, I don't know. It's kind of hard for me to tell with WOWEBONY in terms of the density of the hair. But one of the things that I did after I used the hairspray is I took some Fructis and I just put it along the edges so that it didn't look so ashy. And also what you can do is take a washcloth and you can kind of, you know, wipe it with the washcloth to make sure that all of that ashy stuff comes out. But I really do like this wig. I believe it's HDSS01. I believe that's the wig that it is, HDSS01. And one of the things I also wanted to mention to you about this hair is it's not like root to tip one piece of hair, you know, one strand. There's a lot of really short pieces in here. And again, as we talked about last week, some human hair wigs that aren't really expensive are going to have a lot of those short pieces in the hair, as opposed to some of the more expensive wigs that you might see on YouTube that are more root to tip in terms of the length. But this one's really nice. It curls really well. It takes heat very, very well. The cap is big head friendly. I didn't adjust the straps in the back, and it does have the elastic band as you saw in the video. So that's really good because you can adjust it yourself. But this hairspray, this bed head really works. It takes a minute though, as you saw. It takes time to get that these pieces to lay down. I try to do them a piece at a time, like front and sides, separately, so that it's more, you know, that it works and lays down better. So if you're interested in this wig, I will put the information down in the description section for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up this video if you actually did like it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my videos. And as I always like to say, ladies, if you're going to show love to anyone today, please show it to the creator. I'm still looking good, and of course, so are you. See you next time.